look, I'm not cooking this week. I'm tired. I need a break. It's been hard out there. You know what? I got an idea. I'm gonna phone a friend. One sec. Yo, Meathead. It's CJ. Hook a brother up. Can you handle my cook this weekend? Yeah, I don't care what you do. Just make it good. Or even half-assed. I don't care. They don't know the difference. It's fine. All right, you're my man. Take care, brother. All right, we're gonna handle this. Stay tuned. Meathead's jumping in. I'm gonna hit the road. I'm gonna go play some cards. I'm tired of cooking. All right? Hold tight. Good enough.
Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ.
Dad, you're not cooking with CJ, you're just Meathead.
Oh, that's right, okay, alright, cut, let's do it again. Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Meathead.
Dad, you're just Meathead.
Okay, alright, cut, let's do this again. Alright. Hey everybody, welcome to Meathead. Thanks for stopping by.
There you go.
Okay, I got it, alright. Anyhow, thanks for watching this special edition of Cooking with CJ. I'm Meathead. I've taken over his channel today just for one dish. We're doing a collaboration. CJ is over on my channel doing a dish, Cuban subs, and I'm going to be doing a dish on his channel over here. Let's get started on this. I'm going to get the camera turned around and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to assemble a proper Cuban sub. This is going to be pretty interesting because I do not like pickles and I do not like mustard. My wife does, so I'm going to be making mine a little bit different. We'll be making hers the traditional Cuban one. Let's get started. Alright, so this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a really cool knife. You're going to need some pork. This is the pork I had, the pork shoulder I had left over from the Jamaican jerk marinade pork shoulder I did in the ground in my Dutch oven. This is why I saved some for this cook. You're going to need some ham, Swiss cheese, some Cuban bread, butter, mayonnaise, some mustard, yuck, and some pickles, even more yuck, and a face mask to deal with the pickles. Alright, so the first thing that I did is just cut off the ends. You don't have to use those. Then go about every 6 inches. Got some butter here, softened it up in the microwave. Okay, so we're good with this one. And the butter, I'm gonna put out there when we get out there to the skillet. Now comes time to deal with the pickles. Time for the pickles.
Are you serious?
Yep. I cannot deal with pickles, honey. Pickles are rot gut garbage, horrible. Cannot deal with stupid pickles. Oh crap, I gotta cut them up? Can you come cut them up? I won't touch these things. Oh, I give me a pair of tongs. These are dill, right?
Yes.
Ugh.
Do you need me to cut it?
You wanna hold it, I'll cut it. Nah, that won't work. Okay, here, I got a paper towel. I think I can work it. I got a paper towel here. I can just hold it. How can you eat these things?
They're delicious.
Oh my lord. Yeah, but see, people say, yeah, but it's not authentic Cuban. You didn't have pickles on it. And of course, you like a lot of pickles, right? It's really hard to hold this thing with a paper towel. But do what I gotta do. Okay, there we go. right, so this is my setup. Basically, it's just 3 cinder blocks, and I got a grate out of one of my other smokers, and I just set the Lodge cast iron flat skillet griddle on top of there, wait for it to get nice and hot, then I put the Cubans on there. Put this on here, some butter. This is mine. This is my wife's. Got a cast iron skillet right there. And mash them down. Just like so. Just gonna let them just cook on that one side. Squish that down, flip them over, do the same thing. I'll be back when I'm ready to flip them. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and flip them. They've been on here now for a little bit. And I'm gonna put butter on this other side. Butter is a must. Because you don't want the bread to be real dry. Now, if y'all didn't know this about CJ, CJ does not like pickles just like me. He don't like pickles either. So this was a perfect sort of collaboration to do. That nice sizzle. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mission control, we have a problem. There we go. Get mine away from the nasty pickles. All right, put this back on here. Squish that side down. There we go. Leave it on there for about another 5 more minutes. When that cheese is nice and melted and it's toasted on both sides, we're ready to go. All right, everybody, I think that these are done. I do declare. So let's get these removed off here. Looks like the rain's coming in. It's gonna start raining here in a little bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these off and go inside and give these a try. Keep them separate. Nasty old pickles. So, all right, I'll see you guys inside. I've got the good one, and then I've got the evil one. So I'll take the evil one out for my wife.
It's not evil.
It's evil, it's got pickles in it, it's disgusting. I don't like pickles. Whoever invented this stupid thing. All right, so let's cut my wife a little bit off of one. All right, there you go, honey. Try that. Then I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna just hold off on it real quick. Let me get the camera turned around so I can get my reaction to it as well. You go ahead. What do you think?
That's really good.
Here goes the good one. No pickles, no mustard.
Don't shake your head.
Look, just so y'all know, I like to shake my head whenever I take a bite.
Tastes like when we get down at Troy's. Actually better.
Better than Troy's. It's all good. Look at that. Focus. There you go.
Alright, you gotta try this with pickle.
I'm not trying with pickle, I'll puke. And that would not be good on camera.
It would be funny.
Yeah, it would. Anyhow, hey CJ, thanks for letting me do this over on your channel. I appreciate it. And everybody, if you're not subscribed to CJ, that comes over here to visit CJ, subscribe to CJ. He's a great guy. And also, subscribe to me too. I'm a pretty cool guy too. Come on over to my channel. I'll put a link to my channel. Actually, CJ will put a link to my channel in the description down below. And on my channel, I'll put a link to his channel down below as well. Anyhow, thanks for joining me. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week over on my channel. See you.
Let's see. Mix about 2 right there. See what's there. Oh, hi. So we had a good time at the card at the casino tonight. I appreciate Meathead taking over for this. You know, I couldn't have done it without him. I needed a break. We're doing 2 shows a week, plus a couple live streams here and there. I needed some time just to chill out, relax, and get my mind right. And you know I love doing that by playing some cards. So that's what we did today. And I know Meathead took care of you guys. I know we made something good. It was a great time letting him do this collaboration, and you know, hit them links below, because you're gonna see that I took over his channel for him. He needed a break too. He's a hard worker. All right, so check out his channel, subscribe to his channel. All you people that came over from Meathead's channel to watch what he did on my channel, subscribe to my channel. You know, we're trying to, it's the hashtag small YouTubers movement. You know, we really need help growing these channels, especially YouTube's been changing the game on us, telling us different ways to hit certain levels. So we need your help to grow. And like I said, we helped each other out because we all needed a night off. So that's it, guys. I'm sure he showed you some great things. I know that sandwich was good. I think it's funny as hell that we both do not like mustard and pickles, but we both decided to make this Cuban sandwich together. So, you know, it's about giving the people what they want and about trying new things, even though I did not try mine. And I know he didn't try his either. And, you know, we both made special sandwiches, and you know, our significant others tried the other ones. So anyway, guys, that's it. I appreciate you coming by today. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and the Meatheads. The links is below for his. I put in a long session. It was a good session. Can afford to pay for food for my shows now, so it was a good time. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care now.